Okay, in this episode, let's have a little look what happens in this global CSS file, because as you can see, we have some code already added. So as you can see, Tailwind is importing the base, components, and utilities. What are these? Well, this base is essentially a reset to your HTML elements, your buttons, your forms, and whatnot. Remember how I showed you like at the beginning when we do like a reset with like margin 0, padding 0? You know, you used to do that and then do your button as well and reset the styles on this and get rid of the paddings and apply your own. That's what this base is used for. And if you don't like anything in Tailwind the way they look like, you can target that base layer. So you can say layer base like that. And I can target, what did I have here? H1, right? So I can change color red. You can also use Tailwind here if you want by using the apply keyword, if that's something you like. But again, generally speaking, you're not really going to write any Tailwind code here in your global CSS, but you might need to, so I want to show you that you can do that. So here you'd say text red 600, and that should have the same effect. There we go. Now if we go to layer components, grab the H1, apply text to Excel. As you can see, that works. If I do text blue 600, so you can see that is going to work as well, because that's going to override it. And then you have components as well. So if you want to target like primary buttons, secondary buttons, you know, variations of that HTML element. And then utilities if you want to do something special. But I wouldn't worry too much about it because you're not really going to touch any of that. Oh, and finally here we have set up for root. As you can see, it sets up a foreground color and a background color. And here we're just flipping that over basically when the user has dark mode enabled in their browser. Okay, so that's all set up for us, which is super nice. When we do end up toggling dark mode from light mode, you're gonna see that it just magically works, which is awesome. So I'll leave it here for now with Tailwind. Again, we're gonna just write so much Tailwind anyway, we're gonna pick it up super easy. In the next episode, we'll set up ShadCN, so we have our design system all ready to go for our project. So I'll see you there.